Hi guys. Well, I wanted to tell you that I came to a conclusion about where this channel is going to be going. See, I always had a passion for Hollywood. The old movie stars, Greta Garbo, Louise Brooks, Jean Harlow, Mae West, Rudolph Valentino, upwards to James Dean and all that stuff. But I wanted to do something. I wanted to tell stories that you can listen to when you are beating. So I thought, you know what? How about if I start telling the stories about Hollywood, the stories that everybody forgot? I mean, do you even know who the first stuntman is? I know you know who James Dean is, but do you even know who the first stuntman is? Okay, so what if I would tell you the story about his life? You know, bring those stories back to life, bring those people back to life. I want to really go in there, and I wanted to start with where did it all start, okay? So for the last week, I have been knee-deep in French archives. I spent a week going through tax records, notary books, and dusty documents, and I think even archives forgot them. Sorry, I wrote down some notes that I wanted to, some things that I wanted to say, because AI is taken very lightly. Please understand that every story I will tell that I have done a research for, and you know, I think people think when they think AI is, oh, you just go to ChatGPT, you say, give me a story about Greta Garbo, they cut and paste it, put it in an AI video editor and let that thing roll and do its thing and then put it on YouTube. And I agree, there are a lot of people that do it like that, but I don't do it like that. What I do is I asked ChatGPT, like, okay, I wanted to start to do the videos on Hollywood, where I want to begin at the beginning. Who made the first moving video? And then ChatGPT told me that it was Louis Le Prince. And from there on, I have been chatting for 3 days nonstop, being sent to archives. I went through all the French archives. I had ChatGPT translate some of the French archives for me so that I could understand what it was about. I took the French archives websites and turned them into Dutch so that I could actually see if there were any remarks made on the website itself that I could read it in Dutch straight away. So yeah, a lot of work, and I wanted to do like sort of mysteries and whodunit and unsolved mysteries, all that kind of stuff. And when I started at the first, what is the first moving footage, I already fell knee deep. I already fell deep into a mystery, because Mr. Louis Le Prince disappeared in Dijon in September 1890. Now we got a mystery. So what happened to him? And well, that's the first story that I'm going to tell you. And I do have to say, it has a story. It's a mystery. It's a story. It's the story, I think, has been told all wrong, altogether, all over the years, and we'll get into that later. And it has a wonderful, sort of happy ending. So I'm very eager to share that story with you. But as you can see, there's a lot of ums when I talk, and there's a lot of that's, and I don't want to do that. So what I want you to do is understand that it's easier for me to get an AI voice. Why? I can put everything in the video editing tool, and if I think, oh, I still have to put that in there, then I can add that in there without having to record myself again, record my voice again, and edit it into that, because that takes like 10 times as long as just putting some text into a video. So let me introduce you to the voice that will be talking for me.
Before we wander any further, allow me to explain who I am. Some of you may be wondering why you hear my voice guiding these stories. A fair question, and yes, I am an AI voice, but out there is a real man somewhere behind this sound. He walked into a recording studio, stood before a microphone, and spoke hundreds of lines so that this tone, this gravel, this tired old breath of mine could live inside projects like this one. He lent his voice legally and willingly, and every time Jana uses it, he receives a fee for his voice. Nothing mysterious, nothing shady, simply professional work. Think of it like a voice-over in a Disney movie. I am not here to replace her. I am here so she can stay knee-deep in archives, chase ghosts in old French documents, and pull history out of the dust, while I take care of the storytelling. She hunts the history, I speak it, and I hope you will join the both of us as we bring you the story of Louis Le Prince next week, the man who vanished and casted the first shade onto what later would become known as Hollywood.